focused on Staphylococcus aureus superantigens and toxic shock syndrome toxin TIS-T1. Question 1. A 25-year-old woman presents with sudden onset fever, diffuse rash, hypotension, and multi-organ failure after using a new type of tampon. Which bacterial toxin is most likely responsible for her symptoms? A. Exfoliative toxin. B. Toxic shock syndrome toxin 1, TIS-T1. C. Enterotoxin. A. Lipid A endotoxin. E. Streptolysin O. Correct answer, B. Toxic shock syndrome toxin 1. Explanation. TSST is a superantigen produced by Staphylococcus aureus that cross-links the beta region of the T-cell receptor to MHC class II molecules, leading to massive cytokine release, IL-1, IL-2, IFN-GANG, TNF-A, causing toxic shock syndrome, fever, rash, shock. A. Exfoliative toxin causes scalded skin syndrome, not shock. C. Enterotoxin A causes food poisoning, not systemic shock. D. Lipid A endotoxin is from gram-negative bacteria. E. Streptolysin O is from Strep pyogenes causing hemolysis. Question 2. Which of the following best describes the mechanism of action of the toxin responsible for toxic shock syndrome caused by Staphylococcus aureus? A. Cleaves snare proteins to inhibit neurotransmitter release. B. Crosslinks MHC class II and T-cell receptor outside antigen binding site, causing massive cytokine release. C. Inactivates elongation factor 2 by ADP ribosylation. D. Overactivates adenylate cyclase, increasing CAMP. E. Acts as a phospholipase, causing tissue necrosis. B. Crosslinks MHC class II and T-cell receptor outside antigen binding site, causing massive cytokine release. Explanation. TSST1 is a superantigen that cross-links the beta region of the T-cell receptor to MHC2 on antigen-presenting cells without antigen specificity, triggering widespread T-cell activation and cytokine storm leading to toxic shock. Why not the others? A. Botulinum and tetanus toxins cleave snare proteins. C. Diphtheria and Pseudomonas toxins inactivate elongation factor 2. D. Cholera toxin overactivates adenylate cyclase. E. Clostridium perfringens phospholipase causes tissue damage. Want questions